Hello everyone. Today we discuss a problem on continuity and differentiability. So let us start this problem. The problem is let f such that R2R be a function defined by fx equal to sin x by mod x plus cos x. There are four options. First option, f is differentiable for every x belongs to R. Second option, f is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Third option, f is differentiable at x equal to 0 but f dash is not continuous at x equal to 0. Last option, f is not differentiable at x equal to pi by 2. Now for the solution, first we define the function. When x greater than 0, the function will be sin x by x plus cos x. When x less than 0, the function will be sin x by minus x plus cos x. And for x equal to 0, that is equal to 0. Now we need to check whether the function is differentiable at x equal to 0 or not. For that purpose, we need to consider limit h goes to 0 plus fh minus f0 by h. That is exactly equal to limit h goes to 0 plus sin h by h into h plus cos x, cos h, sorry. That is exactly equal to 1. Actually limit h goes to 0 plus sin h by h equal to 1 and the limiting value for the second part also equal to 1. Similarly, for the second case, that is limit h goes to 0 plus h goes to 0 minus fh minus f0 by h, that is equal to limit h goes to 0 minus sin h by minus h plus cos h into h. Similarly, for the latter case also the value equal to 1. So from these two parts we can say that f is differentiable at x equal to 0 and the value will be equal to 1, that is f dash 0 equal to 1. Now we define f dash x here. For x greater than 0, the function obviously differentiable and the value will be equal to x cos x plus 1 minus sin x by x plus cos x square. And for x less than 0, the value will be minus x cos x plus 1 plus sin x by minus x plus cos x whole square. And for x equal to 0, earlier we proved that the value will equal to 1. So f dash 0 equal to 1. Now we need to consider or we need to check that whether the function f dash is continuous at x equal to 0 or not. For that purpose, we consider limit x goes to 0 plus f dash x, that is limit x goes to 0 plus x cos x plus 1 minus sin x by x plus cos x whole square, that actually equal to 1 when you consider x goes to 0 plus. Similarly, for x goes to 0 minus also the limiting value f dash x gives you 1. And also f dash 0 equal to 1. So from this equality, that is limit x goes to 0 plus f dash x and limit x goes to 0 minus f dash x equal to f dash 0. So you can say that your f dash is continuous at x equal to 0. Now we need to show that the function whether if the original function f is differentiable at x equal to pi by 2 or not differentiable. So for that purpose we need to consider x goes to pi by 2 plus fx minus f pi by 2 by x minus pi by 2. That is exactly equal to since x goes to pi by 2 plus, so x obviously greater than 0. So here we consider fx as sin x by x plus cos x. So the numerator and denominator both goes to 0 when x goes to pi by 2 plus. So we can use the L'Hospital rule or L'Hopital rule, anything you can say. So that gives you 0. Similarly, when x goes to pi by 2 minus, then also the limiting value limit x goes to pi by 2 minus fx minus f pi by 2 by x minus pi by 2 also gives you 0. Here also you can use fx is sin x by x plus cos x since x greater than 0 here. So from these two relation, we can say that here f is differentiable at x equal to pi by 2. So from this 4 option, the option A is correct answer. So thank you.